Hi everyone, this is Alexei, and I'm going to start off quickly within Twinmotion and just go through the user interface. Basically, for me, there are three different areas. Okay, as you can see, there's a triangle here, an arrow on the left. So basically, a couple of things are going to come out here. Something's going to pop up here and down here. It's kind of like an area where there's additional options down here. Okay, without getting too technical, I'm going to encourage everyone to play around with this application because it's truly an intuitive application. Look at this. I just pressed an arrow here and basically something came up, and I'm just going to go up here and just go from the beginning. Okay, so for you, anytime you select this little triangle, again, is your library selection. My favorite area to play, and I really mean play because it's really fun. Okay, so materials, vegetation, lights, furniture, characters, vehicles, and so on. So materials is amazing. You have glass, metal, wood, and I'll be going through these in following examples and lessons, okay? Actually, demonstrations. So again, this is my favorite part right here. That's the materials. Over here, if I click on the eye icon here, you will see that there's the sun icon is highlighted in orange. So that means I can actually now manipulate. So it says it's 2 o'clock, 1400 hours. Okay, now I'm changing the time accordingly. As you can see, wow, look at that. That's very cool, right? All right. So if I click again, we're in the evenings. As you can see, it's almost midnight and right there. Isn't that nice? Fantastic. All right, so the time of day, very important in terms of shadow and amount of brightness, obviously. And we'll just leave that be. The second part that I really love about this icon, again, is I actually work in here. To me, having an architectural design background, I normally like to work sometimes in orthographic view or perspective view. For students, I'm guessing the most fun they'll have initially is in the perspective view. Later on, when you're more comfortable, you will see things in orthographic view. And there's really good reasons for that. Okay, so that's one right there. Those two items are very important. Let's select the next triangle. Happens to be right here. And this is basically the ground right here. So everything I create goes into here. Okay, I can collapse it. And if I want to get rid of, like, not see my ground, I basically click on the eye, gone. Okay, so we'll just leave that alone. Come back and let's go into perspective view. Beautiful. All right, we're back. So you can see this is just this ground here right now as a high reflection. All right, so this is an import where you bring items in from other applications and so on. And this is more contextual. And like, right, for example, right now, if I don't want the cityscape in the background, I can go to background, picture, boom, click on none, and it's gone. And I have just a simple scene right here. Okay, and they each have icons on there. Let's say nature here, and weather, lighting, and so on. This is my favorite part right here, media, because this is where I normally set up my shots. Okay, we're going to play into this in a future video. And then lastly, we want to export our work, as you can see here, image, video, and so on, and an export button right here into an external software, sorry, an external file folder and so on. Okay, very simple in here. The next video, perhaps what I'll do is I'll just move around the scene, and that way you can actually be comfortable moving and selecting and creating. Okay, one step at a time. Stay with me. Just remember, this is a very, very intuitive application. And you're going to have fun playing in this and discovering new things every time you're in the application. All right, take care. Bye.